To schedule driver time and car availability, the Scheduler section is provided. It displays a list of all vehicles in the fleet on the left side of the screen, and a calendar on the right side that contains information about the vehicle workload in the form of calendar events in time intervals. To create an event, click in the calendar field opposite the vehicle for which it will be assigned. In the window that appears, there are 7 event options to choose from. The first 3 are driver, crew, and rent. They are used to plan the workload of drivers. The other 4th service station, road accident, auto pound, and other allow you to determine the availability of cars without being linked to a driver. By selecting the single driver option, I can specify a driver who will work on this car without a shift partner. The start and end date and time of the event are required to create such an event. Information about days off or sick days are optional and can be added to the event later. When you save the event with the green button, it appears in the calendar within the specified time frame. To fit more information about the event on the screen, you can change the range of the calendar in the filter. To change an event, you can simply drag it out or double-click to change the data in the window that appears. In the edit mode, in addition to changing the start and end date and time of the event, you can also specify the driver's days off or sick leave, as well as the days of vehicle maintenance. You can also delete an event. The added days off will be reflected in the event when you view it in the calendar. Days off and sick leave and maintenance are also displayed in reports.